Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm stock market coach and option trader Jason Brown over here at Power Trades University. And I want to talk about day trading and the pattern day trading rule. But in order to understand the pattern day trading rule, we have to break down a few definitions. So a day trader is a person or a type of trader who enters and exits a trade in the same day. Meaning the market typically opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time and closes at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So if you enter a trade within those hours, but also exit a trade within those same hours, the same day, that is considered a day trade. And so you may be considered a day trader if you do that from time to time. Now, FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA has classified what's called a pattern day trader. And that's a classification for people who do it more than a certain amount of time. So let's take a look at that. What is a pattern day trader? A pattern day trader is someone who places 4 or more trades that are in and out in the same day within 5 business days. So that simply means you can place 3 day trades in a week in and out in the same day, and you won't be classified as a pattern day trader. But if you place that 4th trade, you are now considered by FINRA a pattern day trader, meaning you did more than 4 in a week. Now, what is the rules that apply once you become a pattern day trader, and how might that affect your trading account and your trading style? So if you place that 4th trade in a margin account, the rule states that you must have at least $25,000 or $25,000 worth of assets in your account. So you could have $15,000 cash and $10,000 in stock or equity options or some type of equity in your account that combined come up to $25,000. What happens is they make you have a minimum $25,000 account value, all things considered, cash, equity, and then they will allow you to day trade. Now, what happens if you drop below that $25,000 threshold? And then how can you get around it, especially if you're brand new or you're a small trader? So what happens is if you drop below that $25,000 threshold, usually your account will flash red. So even if you have $24,000, you go $1,000 below, they're going to say, hey, you need to deposit $1,000 to be able to day trade again. If you don't meet that $25,000 threshold, your account is restricted from day trading. And when I say restricted, basically when you place a trade, there'll be a little pop-up or a box that says, hey, your account has been flagged as a pattern day trader due to, this rule. You must not exit the trade in the same day, meaning you can place the trade, but they will not allow you to exit the trade in the same day. Now, how can you avoid being a pattern day trader, especially if you have a smaller account, right? You might be thinking, well, Jason Brown, I don't have $25,000 on my account. Are you trying to tell me I can't day trade? That's not what I'm trying to tell you. What I'm about to tell you is a couple ways that you can get around it and still have some success as a day trader. So one of the most obvious ways that you can still be a day trader and get around the pattern day trader rule is having $25,000. Now, for those of us who don't, the second obvious thing, or should be obvious if it's not, we're going to make it obvious. The second thing that you can do is make sure you don't go over to that 4th trade within 5 business days or 5 trading days. Okay. So if you place a trade, maybe you have a rule that you only day trade on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and that you only take 1 trade per day. By having that type of rule set up, as long as you don't ever take more than 1 trade in a day, you know that you won't hit the pattern day trading rule in 1 day. And if you only day trade on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, well, that's 3 days, and Fridays and Saturday and Sunday count as the weekend. So it's not a business day. So it resets that clock come Monday that you can make 3 new day trades and avoid hitting the 4th day trade. Now, this is one of my favorite hacks if you want to be a day trader, and that is opening several accounts. So you may have, let's say, a $10,000 account and you love day trading. You might want to put $5,000 in one account, $5,000 in another account. That way, what will happen is you can place up to 3 day trades in a day or a week in one account, And then you can switch over to a different account and place 3-day trades in a day or a week in that account. And now that'll give you the opportunity to place 6-day trades. Well, if there's 5 trading days in a trading week, that allows you to be a day trader every day of the week, plus get an additional trade in there, at least until you grow your account above $25,000. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you like this video, leave a comment and hit the thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe. And then check us out at Power Trades University. We have courses, coaching, and community for you if you're a brand new trader or you're an experienced trader and you're trying to take your trading game to the next level. You're looking for people to do business with, communicate with, network with, that are like-minded, looking to learn about options, trading, find some cool picks. It's all there for you. PowerTradesUniversity.com. I'll see you in the next video.